We've got a lot of questions on lump and briquette charcoal and which one to use. So we got briquettes and we got lump charcoal. Both are made out of wood. Briquettes are charcoal that's been pulverized and then compressed into a briquette form. Lump charcoal's actually been burned down to just coals. It's cleaner, it doesn't have any fillers, and it's gonna have less ash. This is a briquette. It is a good charcoal. The only problem is sometimes you'll have a lot of ash. These are Kamado style type cookers. It's best to use a lump charcoal because it burns clean. If you use a briquette charcoal, which has a binder sometimes in them, it can actually foul the charcoal, therefore you lose heat.
When you look for a briquette, look for something that's all natural. I like using lump. It burns clean, it burns hot, and it's less ash. If you like this, share it with your friends, post your questions below, and we'll get them answered for you in our next videos.